What's that? Toilet paper? Ooh. What is that? Oh god! Oh gosh! What? It's fireworks! Jeez!
Oh, Play-Doh. Cool beans. Cool McBeans. Whoa! What? What is it exploding? Why did it just explode? No. Please. He's gonna get all sad. Watch this. I knew he would get sad. I knew it. I just knew it. What's that? Oh, a tennis ball? Is that a tennis ball? Yeah. It's gonna explode, isn't it? No? Broccoli, ew. Comment down below, guys, if you're a broccoli fan or if you're not a broccoli fan. I'm not. What's that, kinetic sand? Oh no. Does that explode? Oh, what is that? What's that? Oh. Oh. That looks so yummy. It's making a wall like, I'm dying to kill you, bro. What's, oh, more candles, I think? It's gonna be so colorful. Yeah. Rubber, oh, those rubber band balls. I've always wanted to make one of those. What, it just, like, exploded. Trophy time? I'm gonna do anything? I don't know if he'll do anything at all. I don't know.
Okay. Alright. What's this? Whoa. That's cool. What's happening? Oh, it's gonna explode, isn't it? It's zooming in. Whoa, it's exploding. The metal's getting crushed. Ah. It's dying. Another what's that? It's like a Rubik's Cube, but not really a Rubik's Cube. Oh, I have one of those with little, like, bead stuff in it. Like, one of mine exploded. What the heck? Cards. Oh! No, my dad would be crying right now. All those Michael Jackson CDs. Ooh, Orbeez. It's gonna happen. It's crazy colorful. Ooh, it's a bus toy. It's all those bus toy McBob's things. The dinosaur. A dinosaur. A cheese shredder. Wait. Whoa. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, guys, that's just so cool. Gosh. I'm gonna explode. Ooh, gold. Ooh, yum. What? Sushi. Yum, 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 yum. It's gonna explode right. Oh. What's that? It's full of slime. It's just like trying to escape. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what I should react to or make next. Bye!